Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by adding a spotlight and positioning it where it matters most. Add the light, then switch to local or camera view so you can see how shadows fall. This is key for composition. Once placed, set the power in watts and choose a color that matches the scene mood, because intensity and color determine perceived time of day. Make sure to toggle visibility in viewport and render so you can iterate quickly while keeping scene performance smooth. Now you refine the spotlight's beam shape and aim. Increase or decrease the spot size in degrees to widen or tighten the cone. Tweak blend to soften the edge because hard edges often look artificial. Aim the light by rotating it or using a track to constraint so the highlight sticks to motion. Once done, enable contact shadows or refine shadow map settings to capture surface detail. This increases realism without upping sample count dramatically, so performance stays reasonable. Finish by tuning render settings and validating results. Increase light samples or use adaptive sampling and denoising to remove noise from the spotlight area because clean highlights sell realism. If the light affects unintended objects, isolate it with collections or light linking. This prevents spill and speeds troubleshooting. If shadows look wrong, double-check object normals and scale. Incorrect normals or non-uniform scale often break lighting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.